Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Xiaomi is preparing to launch its flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, in China on April 18, 2023. Additionally, the brand has confirmed that a new fitness tracker, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8, will also be unveiled at the same event. The Xiaomi Band 8 boasts a pill-shaped AMOLED display that bears resemblance to its predecessor. Nevertheless, the strap mechanism has been upgraded to a more secure and comfortable design, now connecting to the device on each side. Additionally, the band will be offered in a range of color variants and designs, giving it a unique appeal. Additionally, the Xiaomi Band 8 will come with a necklace accessory, which allows users to wear the smart band as a necklace. The set of new bracelets and straps provides users with the option to wear the smart band in their preferred way, including pairing it up with a regular strap or a fashionable bracelet. The Xiaomi Band 8 is anticipated to include fundamental activity tracking functions, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. Additionally, it may support NFC and voice assistant features. The Xiaomi Band 8 presents a viable option for individuals seeking a cost-effective fitness tracker that offers numerous functionalities. The previous model, the Xiaomi Band 7, boasted a 1.62-inch AMOLED display featuring a resolution of 490 x 192 pixels and a maximum brightness of 500 nits. Its battery capacity was 180 mAh, with a lifespan of up to 14 days. Additionally, it featured a high-precision 6-axis sensor and a PPG heart rate sensor, supporting over 110 fitness modes, along with features such as VO2 max, training effect, training load, recovery duration, sleep breathing quality tracking, and female health tracking. It is likely that the Xiaomi Band 8 will enhance these specifications and incorporate additional features. Details regarding the price and availability of the Xiaomi Band 8 will be disclosed during the launch event scheduled for April 18th. That's it, guys, for this video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.